Let's do my makeup, but my baby's gonna be choosing which makeup I wear. Yes, I have a baby, you guys. Aww! Coco, which concealer? Okay. Coco knows what makeup works for me. Coco, pink or yellow brush? Yellow. Coco, which blush color?
Walks away.
Okay. Fine, Coco, I'll choose. I don't need you.
Falls.
Coco, give me my rubber band. Coco, it's mine, Coco. Black eyeliner or blue? Oh! You guys hate black eyeliner on me, but my bird trusts me. Oh! Can I brush my eyebrows? Yeah. Okay. He just ate my black eyeliner. Coco! Just don't tell Mom, okay? Okay. Here, take all my rubber bands. They're all yours. No biting. No. Which lipstick?
Ignores again.
Finished look.